Alright, folks, we're doing an oil change on this 2011 and the oil filter too, and on the other side we'll pull out the fuel filter too and put some grease anywhere we can put grease. So that's what we got. Here we are, we got everything. There are about 10 gallons over here. The oil filter and the fuel filter. So we'll go ahead and get all that replaced. We also got the air filter too. It's gonna be a lot of oil. Well, just waiting to the last drain of the oil, so put it close. This video is really short, but it really take a long time to do it. I mean, the way we do it, and if you do it on the shop, you just open the thing and just go down. But we're being fill it out that thing. It's got a valve in there with closing and open. Really convenient. You had to drive it, put that thing on it, so it's really useful. It's really nice. And this is what I'm using to get the oil filter out of there. Saying this is the belt the guy owns the truck put it on, so that's what be able to open and close, fill it out the back of that way. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, we got the old filter in there. So what we're doing right now, we're gonna go in there and clean before I put the new filter on it. Next, we gotta pull out the fuel filter off. Points. Everything we can. It needs to be re-greased. You know, we'll have everything ready. When you're not doing nothing, do this to your truck. It'll, you know, help a lot more. Okay, so there's all those empty 10 gallons. That's what we put on. Grease everything, change oil filter and the fuel filter and the air filter. So I mean, it's good for another 12,000 miles. Okay, we finished everything. Now it's time to go and recycle this. It was a short video just to show, yes, you can do it. Just take your time. You don't have to take your truck to the shop. Peace.